Hi, I'm Emil from Town & Country Truck and Trailer here in Kent, Washington. Today I'd like to show you this 1998 Dodge Ram 3500 1-ton, 2-3-yard gravel body with full down sides, 5.9 automatic, nice little truck, brand new tires in the front, ready to use. This Dodge Ram 3500 1-ton, 2-3-yard gravel body also has a Cry-Steel heavy-duty underbody hoist system, nice heavy-duty trailer hitch system, heavy-duty tailgate, again full down sides, and even a work beacon up on top. This Dodge Ram 3500 has a nice comfortable interior with fabric seat. It's got AM/FM stereo with a cassette system. It's got tilt and cruise, clean little truck all the way through. Hi, I'd like to recap some of our financing options for you. Not only do we have traditional bank loans that are available on approval of credit, but we also have the ability to help you with your credit card transactions. You can do a lease company, which is for businesses, and they'll allow you to do up to 60-month financing on approval of credit with a $1 buyout for all 50 state customers, including Canadian customers now.